Hi, Jody. I wanted to do this really, really brief answer back to you. I wanted to let you know thank you for sharing your story with me because, like I said in my response a couple of nights ago, that you probably are not going to believe how similar our history is. In October of 2005, I was diagnosed with Crohn's disease and ulcerative colitis, and that was after six colonoscopies misdiagnosed, like undiagnosed or whatever. The reason why I was diagnosed was because I had recently gone from high school teaching to elementary teaching, and I thought that I had gotten, some type of bug or whatever, and I was rapidly deteriorating, like I could not walk, things like that, what you had said. And come to find out, I was admitted to the ER. I had pneumonia, and my left lung had collapsed. So when you wrote down that your lungs had collapsed, oh my goodness, I absolutely can understand, number one, how painful that one lung collapsing is, but two, it would be unbelievable. And at that point, I had been suffering from just, a continuous flare-up to the point where on the scale, the hemoglobin scale, I was a 9, and at a 7 is when you get a full blood transfusion. So I had lost, all sorts of blood, and my body was going into shock. Everything was shutting down. Yada, yada, yada. So I was put on 72 medications. Yes, you heard me right, 72 medications a day to get my immunity back up. I had just had no immunity whatsoever. So I had an Excel spreadsheet for me to keep track of when I was, taking what pills. Ridiculous. Anyways, I was given the prognosis that probably in about 3 months they would start to chop away at my colon to be able, I would get that colostomy bag, and I was not interested in that. So my GI is a wonderful GI, and he said, do whatever you need to do, find out whatever you need to find out, natural, holistic, whatever. I'm supportive. You're too young to really have to go through this. He felt so badly because of all the other GI doctors before me that just, were careless. With their diagnosis. So I researched, and I found the specific carbohydrate diet, the SCD diet, very restrictive. So when you talk about diet, I understand that. I had to hire a personal chef, and I thought that I would only hire her for like the first 4, 5, 6 months, and I hired her for a year. It's a 2-year program that you put yourself on to literally just transform, like revert it back, your whole GI tract, small and large intestines, to pristine, new. And then, and only then, can you start adding in foods that usually cause flare-ups for Crohn's patients. So I can tell you that within 3 months, and then 6 months, and then a year, my GI was just astounded at what had taken place. And he, would always get out and compare, like, this cannot possibly be the same person, but I'm the one who did the colonoscopy, so I know it is. And it's just sheer focus. So that nutrition is the key, and I completely understand that. And I can completely understand your hesitancy about the shake, because I had the exact same hesitancy. I know immediately, within 15 minutes, and sometimes immediate, but absolutely in 15 minutes, I know if something's going to agree with me or not. And so when my coach approached me about getting the shakes, I was very grateful that she, said, look, this is something that paired with the program works really, really well. I told her, I can't promise anything. I hope it works out, but I can't promise anything because I am super sensitive to everything. And to go down the list of everything would be exhaustive for other people who don't understand. So I completely understand that point as well. Because you don't ever know. You don't know if it's going to be a certain form or if it's a certain food that you're allergic to, or other things, like even other things that you had listed. So anyways, like I said, I've been on it for a year now, and I have not had any flare-ups, which is astounding to me. I'm no longer on medication, but that was after 2007. Immediately, I almost pared it down within a month from those 72. I almost cut that in half, and then by 3 months, I wasn't on any medication. So again, my GI was just astounded. So I was not interested in having a shake that would make me go back on medication. Absolutely not. So my suggestion, definitely after looking over all of your information, is definitely P90X3. I think the 30 minutes, you're right. I think that will work for you. I also think that the levels of intensity on there, plus the fact that you know your body really, really well from all of your past lifting and running and just paying attention to your body, I think that P90X3 is the right one to go with. T25 would definitely make you depressed because it's so much cardio. You probably would push yourself because you're an athlete. You know what to do, and you would get frustrated because I think that you would want to do more than what at this point you should be doing. So P90X3, I think, will give you the tone, it'll give you the strength, and it has so many of those components with the yoga and everything that it will really work well, I think, in your schedule. And you'll feel accomplished, which is nice. So again, with the shake, I would be more than happy to send you whatever flavor you like, at least 2 of the single serving packets, and they're a full serving, so you would really get the full effect. And I think that you're going to be like me. You're going to know, like within a few minutes, if it's going to agree with your system. And that's the most important thing, because Lord have mercy, you don't want that to happen. So what I suggest is let me have your address. I'll send you the flavor that you choose, like two of those packets. I'll send you some recipes, and you can try it out, see if you like it or not, because then if you do like it, then we'll go ahead and combine that and make that into a challenge pack, which that way you'll have P90X3 plus the shake if it agrees with you. You'll save $90. And if you're like, nope, that shake doesn't work, then obviously we can just do P90X3, and that can be done at any point during the month. And that will be nice, because then I can maybe get you into a challenge group with the other P90X3 members plus me, because I'm still doing it. Obviously, this is only my 2nd week doing it. So I really appreciate you, again, sharing your story with me, and I hope that this gives you a little bit of information about my background and how I absolutely understand how you have to be careful, and I'm definitely willing to be the coach that can be careful with you. So have a great day. Let me know what you think about the video and what you think. The flavors are chocolate, vanilla, strawberry, green berry. Those are all the regular ones. And then the vegetarian ones are chocolate and tropical strawberry. The only one that I don't currently have, like that I can give you, but I can get it from another coach, is green berry. That's a mixed berry flavor. I've never tried that one. I've tried all the other ones. I just haven't tried the green berry. So anyways, like I said, I'm excited. I'm happy that you're open to doing P90X3. I think you're going to really like it, and it's going to finally maybe make you feel like you're back into a workout routine, like a true workout routine. So, and we get to, talk to each other every day. So that's always fun. Okay. Talk to you later. Thanks again.